second order differential equations. In the previous video, we introduced second order differential equations. We also did a question where we are dealing with real and different, right? So when we have real and different values, or real and distinct values. So in this case, we said when we have real and distinct values, when m1 is equal to alpha and or m2 is equal to beta. This is the case. We said when we have m1 is equal to alpha or m2 is equal to beta, we said this is a real and distinct or different value. So now your general solution will be something like this: a or alpha x, right, plus b e beta x, right? This is what you are going to write. Or we said this will be a e m1x plus b e m2x. This is how you want to write it, right? This is where you have real and different or distinct values. So in this case, today we're talking about the real and equal values, right? For real and equal values, that is when you have your m1 being equals to your m2 being equals to alpha, right? Your m1 being equals to m2 being equals to alpha. If you have such a condition, then you are going to use your general solution as a x plus b e to the power what? To the power alpha x, right? Or just e to the power m1, or just e to the power m2, right? Because m1 and m2 in this case are equal. This is what you are doing today, right? This is what we are doing today. Okay, let's get to it. They say find the general and the particular solution of 9d squared y over dx squared minus 24dy over dx plus 16y, which is equal to 0. After finding the general solution, after determining the general solution, they say also determine the particular solution when x is equal to 0. Y should be equal to 3. And dy over dx should also be equal to 3. Let's get to it. Start by saying auxiliary equation. Right? For auxiliary equation, what do I have? I can just say 9m squared minus 24m plus 16. This is equal to 0. Right? Then I can factorize this. I'll have 3m minus 4. I'll have 3m minus 4. This is equal to 0. Then 3m minus 4, this is equal to 0. Or 3m minus 4 also equals to 0. Then 3m is equal to 4 divided by 3 divided by 3. M is equal to 4 over 3. Also this side, m is equal to 4 over 3. So in this case, you can see that your alpha is equal to 3 over 4. Right? Then after doing that, you can just easily say, now I have equal, right? I have real and equal values. So it means I'm going to use y is equal to what? Ax plus b e to the power 4 over 3x. That is what I have. Right? That is my general solution. This is my general solution. Let me just say GS. That is my general solution. Now, when you are looking for a particular solution, you are told boundaries. They gave you boundaries. They say x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, y should be 3. So in this case, I can just say 3 is equal to what? 3 is equal to into a 0 plus b e 4 over 3 multiply 0. This will give me 3 is equal to, this is b e to the power 0. Right? Then, when I say e to the power 0, it will give me 1. Therefore, b is equal to what? B is equal to 3. I got my first, I got the value of b. So now, let's try to determine what? The value of a. But we are told that when you differentiate this, when you differentiate dy over dx, it must also give you 3. So it means here I can differentiate. When I differentiate y, I'll have dy over dx. This is equals to, this is a product rule. This is the product rule. If you can check, I have this function and I also have this function. And if I have two functions, how should I differentiate them? If I have two functions that are multiplying each other, I have this and that, it means I'm going to do what? I'm going to differentiate f and keep g constant, and again plus differentiate g, keep f constant. Okay, wait, this should be g like that. That is what I'm going to do, right? So now, when I differentiate this one, when I differentiate ax plus b, what will I have? I will have a. Then keeping this constant, this will be e to the power 4 over 3x. Right? Now, when I keep this one constant, differentiate this one, what will I have? Keep this one constant, I still have ax plus b. Right? When I differentiate this one, I'll have 4 over 3 e to the power 4 over 3x. That is what I'll have. Now, remember, we got the value of b. We are also told that dy over dx is 3. dy over dx, I can substitute 3. This is equals to a. Do I have a? I don't have the value of a. Okay? If I don't have it, substitute this. E 4 over what? Over 3 into, don't forget, when x is equals to 0, plus a into 0 plus, we have the value of b, 3, right? And then, okay, 4 over 3, right? E to the power what? 4 over 3 into 0, right? 3 is equals to, this will give me, this is 1. This is 1, guys. So I'll have a plus, a is out because this is 0. I have 3 multiplied by this will also give me 1 multiplied by 4 over 3. 3 and 3 will cancel. Then what do I have? I have 3 is equal to a plus 4. Take this to the other side. I have 3 minus 4. This is equal to a. Therefore, the value of a is equal to what? Negative 1. Then now, I can write my particular solution. My particular solution will be what? Y is equal to what? For a, I have negative 1, which in this case, it's negative 1 multiplied by x, plus 3, which is my b, then e to the power what? 4 over 3x. I hope you understand. This is what we call your particular solution. I hope you understand. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share the content with your friends. And see you in the next video. Thank you.